Hi guys, I had more than one person ask me about this particular question, so I just thought I'd make a quick video explaining what's going on here. And the problem is not so much with the actual problem itself, but with how to use Desmos and how to read the answer. So I just wanted to make a quick video explaining what's going on here. So first of all, let's talk about the question. It says find the probability of being dealt five diamonds from a standard deck of playing cards. That also includes two jokers. In this case, the Joker is considered to be a wild card that can be used to represent any card in the deck. So that basically means that there's in effect there's 15 diamonds because there's the 13 normal diamonds plus the two jokers, right? And then it also means that effectively there's 54 total cards. So the probability is going to be the number of ways to select five diamonds, which is going to be 15 choose five instead of 13 choose five because you have 15 cards that could be considered diamonds. And the number of ways to select any five cards is 54 choose five. So numerator is 15 choose five, denominator is 54 choose five. But that's not really the issue. The issue is with the display. So here, let's go to Desmos calculator. And how would you calculate this? You do NCR 15 comma 5 on the top, divide by NCR 54 comma 5 on the bottom, right? And so you see this answer and you say to yourself, what? That's not right because the book is saying 0.00095, but Desmos is giving me 9.4. What's going on here? And this is just scientific notation. That's all. So you're just if you want to compare apples to apples, you just convert this back to standard notation. And to illustrate why Desmos is doing this, Desmos is doing this because they're trying to give you the most information as possible. Just for a second, imagine with me, you had a number like one divided by something really huge like this. Or actually, let's not say one. Let's say it's let's just pick a random number. Let's say it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by some giant number here. The answer is 1.234 times 10 to the negative 21, right? Let's suppose that Desmos did not use this scientific notation. What's the answer it would give? It will just give you to the nearest, how many digits can it display? It only displays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 digits. It will just say the first 9 digits are all zeros. So that's not very helpful for me, right? If it tells me, okay, what's 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by this big number, if Desmos doesn't use scientific notation, it's just going to tell me it's 0.0000000. It's not really helpful for me. It just says zero. I don't know very much about it. But if it instead uses scientific notation, now it can actually give me some details and tell me it's actually 1.234 times 10 to the negative 21. So if I want to convert that myself, then I know, okay, that means there's 20 zeros after the decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then the digits afterwards, right? So this gives me a little more information. Now I actually know what that number is. So the same thing is going on here. Desmos is using scientific notation to save space to give me more information. And all I have to do is to convert it back is just move the decimal place however many times you see that number there. If it's negative, move the decimal to the left. Positive, move the decimal place to the right. One more thing about this is there's a little trick. 4 decimal places to the left, that just means you should add 3 zeros after the decimal place, 1, 2, 3, and then type in the rest, right? 3 decimal places. I'm sorry, 4 decimal places. Add 3 zeros, and then type in your number. 49494956215. Okay, and then from here, if it asks you to round to the nearest, whatever, let's say, what was it? What was the answer given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places? Then just round to the nearest five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would round to 0.00095 to the nearest 5 decimal places. Okay, so that's all it is, guys. Don't be baffled by this display here that seems to look different. It's just scientific notation to give you more information. And that's all I want to say. Okay, guys, have a good weekend. Happy studying. Let me know if there are any other questions. If I have multiple people asking me the same question, then I might make more of these videos. But for now, I had a few people ask me the same exact question, so I thought I'd just go over it with everybody. Okay, guys, have a good one.